the bolt action pin. Oops. I think it's the first time I wrote with this one, actually. It's kind of a quick view of it. Look at it. I like it. It's pretty heavy. It's a heavy pen. But change the ink. Grab the casing side. Spin it off. Don't lose your spring. It's kind of a tight fit right here. But there's different manufacturers. Like, so Parker makes a bunch of stuff. And here's a fine tip. You got fine tip, medium tip, and gels if you like gels, or the ballpoint. But you figure out which one you want and you like the most, just put it in and then tighten it back down.